Hey guys, what's up? Back to the channel. So today I'll be explaining you my trade recap. If you didn't watch my previous video where I just given you the some of my trades and the trade that I already took, what happened to those, whether I hit my TP or the SL, that I'm gonna share you today in this video. So this I'll just show you my trade which I took. Okay, so this was the GBP JPY. I was holding. If you didn't see the last video there, I just hold this straight to this particular 195.94, and after hitting my TP, it just reversed fully and it just came to the entry level today. So this was the trade that I took in a previous video where I hit my TP, and I just cover all the things. The next trade was the gold trade, where I just explain you in the previous video that I'm gonna plan if the gold is like this, gonna be like this. Okay, so why I took this trade, I'm gonna explain you again. If you are able to see, this is the major zone. This was the all-time high where the gold is over here, and when it comes again the all-time high, the major of the sellers or enter in this particular zone for the selling positions, and it just inviting these sellers by making these candles, red candles again, just back to the zone. And when it's back the zone, I'll just plan for my buying trade, and I'll just enter in this trade, which I just giving in the previous video. If you want, you can watch it. I'll just give the link in the below descriptions. And in this trade, I just took 1:2 because this was the risky, because the gold is already in all time high. So there is the chances that the gonna it gonna reverse. So this is the Friday. Today is the Friday, and I'll just wait for any other opportunity for the gold. For now, I will just shift in other pair, that is Euro USD. Yeah, I was just planning that this was the first trade that I took in Euro USD after big fall. The next thing I just analyzing the Euro USD is in the already in the downtrend, and I was just planning for the sell trade for only for the scalping. Okay, not for the not for the swing. And this is gonna be my trade for the long. The trade I'm going to plan over here is for the long, because if you see that in a daily time frame, USD is just covering all the liquidity which is present over in this levels, where the multiple sellers were there and just covering all this liquidity. But the main thing is there is the huge fair value gap which is present over here, and there is a high chances that the market is gonna be over here to collect this, to feel this all FVG, and just pull up. But the next thing is the liquidity which is also present over here by the sellers who enter in this particular zone. Let me just mark this. This is the liquidity which is already present over here. If we shift in the 4-hour time frame, we are able to see the structure carefully. In the uptrend, this was the fake out, and just market just boom, and this is the structure. This is the structure which is market is forming, that inverted head and shoulder. But what I'm thinking is, if if market wanted to goes up, if wanted market wanted to make the next higher high for collecting this liquidity, market will give the some something some fall over here, that the liquidity which is already present over here, which where the buyers enter in this FVG, I think the market is gonna be cover all this liquidity. So I'll just plan for my I'll just plan for my some scalp trade over here. So if there is any structure shift in the lower time frame, I'll just plan my trade for the scalping for it's gonna be swing trade, because it gives 1:2.2 and 96 pips. This is going to be 1:3 risk reward ratio of mine. So I'll gonna plan this trade, but I'll wait for the best confirmation if I get this in this trade. This Today is a Friday. I'm gonna plan this trade probably in on Monday. If I get in the better price, because the market is making that double top pattern over here. I'll just wait, I'll just watch what's going to happen over here, and I'll just give this trade I'll just give this trade in my Telegram channel. If you're there, you will get to know what I'm gonna plan. And if you want to join my Telegram channel, I'll just give the link in the description. You can join it. So if we shift in the 50-minute time frame, then we'll just have a look for there is the two touches already formed here. We'll just wait for if there is the breakout, something like this. If there is a breakout of this zone, and when the price come at this particular point again, then we'll just plan for the buy. Okay, for now I'll just plan for my scalp trade, which is gonna give me 1 is to 2, 1 is to 2, yeah, 1 is to 2 in a 50-minute time frame only. The small trade, the scalp trade, I'll just plan for here, and then I'll just go for the long if the price reaches at this particular point, because in many of the it's higher chances over that market is gonna be make the higher and higher low. uh, yeah, this much is for today. So if you want any type of video like this, just comment down below, and if there is any questions of yours, just comment down. I'll try my best to explain you by answering or by just making the videos like this. Okay, so see you in the next video. We'll just hope best for this trade. Okay.